Hello students, in this video we'll be learning how to determine the value of sine 18 degrees. Sine 18 is very important for various trigonometric questions, including various questions from height and distances as well. So to calculate the value of sine 18 degrees, the first step that we'll do is we'll assume let theta be 18 degrees. Okay, now on multiplying 5 on both sides, we have 5 theta is equal to 18 into 5, that is 90 degrees. Alright, we'll break 5 theta into two parts. We'll have 2 theta plus 3 theta equal to 90 degrees. Now we'll take 2 theta and we'll move 3 theta to the right hand side, and we'll have 90 degrees minus 3 theta. So 2 theta will be equal to 90 degrees minus 3 theta. Now we take sine on both the sides, so we'll have sine 2 theta is equal to sine of 90 degrees minus 3 theta. Alright, so sine 2 theta is, as we all know, it is 2 sine theta into cos theta, and the value of sine 90 minus 3 theta will be equal to cos 3 theta. This will be cos 3 theta because we know sine 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So from here we have 2 sine theta cos theta as it is, and we'll change cos 3 theta into 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So the value of cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta, 3 cos theta, and the value of sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. These are two important identities that we must know while solving this. In the next step, we'll divide the entire equation by cos theta. Why? Because we need to find out the value of sine theta. So for that we need to eliminate cos theta somehow. So on dividing this entire equation by cos theta, we will have 2 sine theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Now we have to get rid of this cos square theta as well. So we'll write it as 1 minus sine square theta, because we know that sine theta, that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So we'll change it into that form, and we'll have 4 into 1 minus sine square theta minus 3. Next, we'll write 2 sine theta is equal to 4 minus 4 sine square theta minus 3. Now we'll have 2 sine theta is equal to 1 minus 4 sine square theta. Now we'll assume that sine theta is equal to 1, and we'll change this entire equation into a standard quadratic equation. Let's assume that sine theta is equal to x. So from here we'll have 2x is equal to 1 minus 4x square, and we'll move the entire thing towards the left hand side, and we'll have 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll solve for the value of x, like x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here the value of a is equal to 4, the value of b is equal to 2, and the value of c will be negative 1. So what we do is we'll solve for the value of x. Minus b will be minus 2 plus or minus, b square will be 2 square minus 4 into negative 1 by 2a, that is 2 into 4. For the next steps, we'll rub it out here. Now x was equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16. This will be 4 into 4, 16 into minus 1, that will be minus 16. by 2 into 4. So x will be minus 2 plus or minus, this will be 4 minus 16, that will be 4 plus 16, that will be root 20 divided by 2 into 4. So x will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus, see, root 20 can be written as 2 root 5, right? Root 20 can be written as 2 root 5 and in the denominator we'll have 2 into 4. So we'll take out 2 as common and we'll cancel it from the numerator as well as the denominator. So we'll have minus 1 plus or minus root 5 divided by 2 as the value of x. Since x was equal to sine theta and we had theta as 18 degrees and we know that 18 degrees lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive, so the value of x cannot be negative. Therefore, we'll ignore the negative value and we'll just take up the positive value. X will be equal to root 5 minus 1 by 2. This will be by 4. Alright, 2 into 4, the 2 will get cancelled, the remaining part will be 4. So the value of x will be root 5 minus 1 over 4. And this is the value of sine theta. Therefore, sine 18 degrees will be equal to root 5 minus 1 over 4. This is the value that we were looking for.